girl, come help your friend pack up her things.
Yeah, she said, how you doing?
I'm blessed.
She said she doing good.
Mega call the police and tell them say she not kidnap you.
Okay.
Make them take you out of that wrong.
Yeah.
That me I tell you. Play with me.
Let's go get a drink. Yeah, excuse me. Let's get a drink and eat some food. Yeah.
You okay? Why you not eating your food? Come on, girl, eat. Yeah. Tastes good? Yeah.
You don't bumper clock left yet. Enjoy yourself. Watch between me and you. Watch. The clothes them pack up and I wait for you. Come leave me place. No. Let me the overs. Just this time back.
Have some more drink. Come on now. What are you drinking? Oh my God.
You okay? You sure you okay? We are traveling. Come on now. Yes. Come on, come. I gotta go. She got one my hand. No. We're not leaving till 5 a.m.
Hey girl, school done 3 o'clock. Oh, you are reach home now.
I was at after school and then I went to go see my friends afterwards.
Hey friends,
Yeah.
since you are a big man and you are hang out, I can treat you like a big man. Come to my house.
Mom, why?
No.
Why?
You know what? Like, 2 big man can't live here.
But Mom, it's not even that late. Plus I'm 18 now.
18! Give me rent money. Since you're 18, you can't manage road by yourself. Go live with your friend then.
But Mom, I can't go live with my friends.
You never say that when you're out there rendezvous.
Mom, you know I can't live with nobody.
Hey, you can't live with nobody. You want to live with me and cause problem. Hold out your hand, take your bag and go. When you find you live by your own, you can't rendezvous all night when you want. Me tired of it! Tired of it! You're disrespectful. You're not going to run in here. I'm me running in here. I'm me the captain of this bumbuckler ship here. You have to go. How will you go, girl?
You told me to leave your house, Mom.
So you're going to leave because you have a plan. So you're a big man.
No.
You have somewhere to live.
No.
Take your nasty ass in your room. No! Go in your room. Hey, and next time you come back in your past 3:30, I'm going to kick you in your face, girl. Go in your room. How much time you want teacher to call me and tell me, say, yeah, misbehaving at school? Don't worry, cause Christmas a come. And you want PlayStation? Go play with your book. Me come from work and me tired. The living room dirty, kitchen sink full of plate. So me if you take my tired body to go down at the mall and buy your Christmas gift. Come in like you tell me if you want puppy show. You think I'm not gonna beat you? You would have never see it because Christmas a come. Me give you 4.5 seconds to reach in my kitchen. Pass me remote.
But Mommy, the remote is right there next to you. You could just
Me ask
reach
you
for
where
it.
the remote there? I'm ask you to pass me.
Alright.
You love when people do things for you. But you don't love do things for people. I have a receipt for the sitting there. I'm gonna carry back. It's gonna be a dreadful Christmas. Every minute somebody have to come here to hang out. Me's not running a FUG camp. What that name there?
I think you're talking about a refugee
Yeah,
camp.
that name there. You know what? Tell her say she can't come sleep over for Christmas Eve. So when Christmas morning come, she can help you unwrap your empty Christmas present then.
Oh my goodness!
Look
Look at all these presents! Santa came!
No,
Finally.
Santa, I am mother.
Thanks, Mom!
Surprise, girl.
My PlayStation!
You good at that.